With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this particular question, it is given that a point A that is -1, 0, point B that is 1, 3, and point D that is 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD, and we have to find out the coordinate of vertex of C. So let us suppose this is our parallelogram ABCD. Okay, so this is our parallelogram ABCD in which this is the point A which is given to us as -1, 0. This is point B which is given to us as 1, 3. This is point C which we need to find out, and this is point D which is given to us as 3, 5. So let this particular point C be equals to x, y. Okay. Now if we draw up the diagonals of this particular parallelogram, so let's suppose this is one of the diagonal, that is AC, and this is the other diagonal, that is BD, right? And we know that parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. That means the diagonals of AC and BD will bisect each other at point O. Okay, and we need to find out the vertex of this particular point O. So to find out the vertex of this point O, we'll be using the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula in diagonal BD, right? In diagonal BD, we'll be using the midpoint formula and finding out the vertices of point O. Okay, so let's suppose the vertex of point O is P, Q, and we have to find out the vertex of point O. So P will be equal to x2 plus x1 divided by 2, comma, Q will be equal to y2 plus y1 divided by 2, right? That means the coordinates of the point O, that is P, Q, will be equal to x2 plus x1 divided by 2 and y2 plus y1 divided by 2. So if we put up all the values, this will be equal to the value of x2 is nothing but the value of x2 is 3 plus the value of x1 is 1 divided by 2, comma, the value of y2 is 5 plus the value of y1 is 3 divided by 2. So if we simplify this, this will come out to be equal to the value of P will be equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 2, that is 2, and the value of Q will be equal to 5 plus 3, that is 8, divided by 2, that is 4. So value of P, Q, that is the point O, has come out to be equal to the point O, which is equal to P, Q, has come out to be equal to 2, 4, right? But this 2, 4, that is point 2, is also the midpoint of diagonal AC, because diagonals bisect each other in parallelogram. So this particular point O is also the midpoint of AC, right? So if we apply midpoint formula in AC, so this will be equal to P is equal to x2 plus x1 divided by 2, comma, Q is equal to y2 plus y1 divided by 2, right? If we put up the value of P, because now we have found out the value of P and Q, so if we put up the value of P and Q and x1 and y1, we'll get the value of x2 and y2, right? We'll get the value of this particular coordinates x2 and y2. So this will be equal to the value of P is 2. So this will be equal to the value of x2 is x plus x1 is equals to -1. So this will be plus -1 divided by 2, comma, the value of Q is 4 and the value of y2 is y plus the value of y1 is 0. So this will be y plus 0 divided by 2. So this 2 will be get transferred to the left hand side. So this will be equal to 4 is equals to x minus 1, and over here this will be 8 is equals to y. Okay, so we have find out the value of y as 8 and the value of x is equals to 4 minus 4 plus 1. So this will be equal to 5. So the value of x comma y, is nothing but equal to 5 comma 8. That means the vertex C of the parallelogram of ABCD is nothing but equal to 5 comma 8. So this is the coordinate of vertex of C of parallelogram ABCD. So this was the answer which we needed to find out.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.